Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto Watch 100 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Moto Watch application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. Once you open the app, you should see the home page. Now you can tap on the profile icon right here in the top left corner to open the profile page, and on this page you should see your Moto Watch 100 on the list of my devices. Tap on it, here tap on Unpair and tap yes. Watch will be disconnected, as you can see. Now we can close the app, open the settings settings on our phone. So let's find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called connected devices, basically Bluetooth any, tap on it. And here you should see the list of other devices, and on it you should see Moto Watch 100. Tap on the watch, tap on forget, and tap on forget device. Okay, and now you can close the settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.